Hello there, this is René Bautista, and I'm here to teach you how to create your online e-store in Shopify. So let's proceed. So first of all, go to shopify.com. Shopify.com. Okay. So you will prompt it through here. So just click Start Free Trial for the account. So let's just see. Okay, start with how do you hold it? I'm just starting. Next, an online e-store, or you can choose whatever you want. So you can choose later, or you can choose any one of these again. Store name, just put test, but it depends on you. Skip away, or your region, make sure to fill this up. Then continue with, depends on you. You can use email or any one of these options. So let's in this tutorial I will use a Gmail. Anyone can do. Any of the following can do. So let's see, it's loading. So okay, so this will be your dashboard or your home. So for this, I suggest to prioritize this first, customer your online store. So we will have to do our theme. So let's choose. Since you have a trial account, you can only use the free theme there, but if you have a plan, there's a lot of options that you can choose on. So let's try this one for this tutorial. Okay, and then you can also view the demo store first, so you can see it, click over it. So just like this. So this is the actual sample. So now once you are satisfied, you can click the try thing. So let's try it. So after you choose one, this is your current theme at default. So you can just preview and check it if you want it, so you can just use it. But since we chose this one, the one we have tried earlier, you can just click publish to make it visible and live, so the normal one will be replaced. So once you have published it, you can just view it to be sure. So you can just click this view your store to check it. So here it is your official store. So in my case, this is my domain name for a while. So let's try. So your trial site is actually live. So once you have set it up, I recommend to go here on the left side and look for settings. So this is the most important one, especially if you're really starting a business. You need to fill up the information under, because the one that we filled up earlier is just a basic or the initiation. So the plan. So this is your account. The ones that we chose earlier is a trial. So if you want to have a plan that's better, so you can decide here. Billing, for example, what payment method you're gonna use for paying your plan, then billing currency, then so on and so forth. So just check it out all of this, because it is important, especially if you are actually selling online and you want to have a career on this. So payment method is the PayPal as default, so you can Gcash or other payment methods. So check out. So actually guys, this is self-explanatory, so you can just read it. So this is for your site, so I will not take it one by one because it will take so much time, but it is the most important one before you start to sell. Okay, taxes and duties, locations, gift cards, markets, right? So you can just set it up. There is an instruction there and explanation there, so you will never carried away on that domains. Again, go back to customer accounts, customer events, something like that. To your brand, if you want to set your own brand, you can have your own logo, so that when you edit it, you can just drag and drop here. Notification, so you can just choose this and read this, and then you are the one to find out. So this is very easy but a bit time consuming, but it's worth it once you have set up. Once you have set up, next we are now to we are about to add our product. So go to home. So we are finished customizing online store, so just add product. Just click this. For example, you want to really add your product, so this is it. Title, description. For example, let's try to have laptop description. So amazing laptops for gaming or students or for work from home. So it depends on you. So I think you're the one to set this, then write the benefits or the specification or anything about your product. Tell it the specification, the advantages, etc. Just like when you're selling online. So you can just choose there whatever you want. Media, you can just drag and drop. So let's try drag and drop at sorry, not that. Products, laptop, okay, gaming laptops. So I can just drag and drop there, or find an URL if you want. Category, you can choose category. I think it's important to have category so that later on you can just filter it out what product it is. The vendor, okay, collections, okay, price. So compare price is the before price. Example 1.5, before price 1.5, then the price now. Okay, quantity, to set the quantity you can just fill this up, then you can tick the if necessary. Okay, physical product, then put the weight. This is for shipping fee, I think shipping fee purposes. The shipping fee you can set it on your settings. So the variants, like if you have a specific size, you can choose their color, etc. For the search engine optimization, it's important. You can just set your search engine optimization. For example, gaming laptop for students. Then the description, cheap laptop, something like that. SEO is another skill to learn. So if you learn it, it's better. It's an advantage to have there, because when someone searching a gaming laptop or something really tangible product, your item will be popped up, especially if you have a better SEO skills. So once they have searched it, your site will be popped up. So just click save. So there's an error. So what's this? What's that? I can't be blank. Okay. So for now, let's say medium. This is just a sample. Then done. And let's just save it. Then once okay, you have now the first product, and then you can just click on this to view all your products. So this will be your products. You can add whatever you want. You can add as many as you can, as long as you will just input. Okay, let's just check. So you can go to online store. Just always click this online store, then view store. And here it is. Okay, where's your product? Okay, by the way, in order to set your in order to customize more your site, once you have added the product here, just click this. Then here it is. So in this left tab, it is the navigation or the panel when you can set everything. For example, in this announcement bar, this is it, the header. This is it. Then welcome to stores, the content. So you can edit this just like that. Then you can adjust alignment left or right, so you can play with it. So in first thing, so the header, this one, so you can change the colors of this. This color is the presets, so you can navigate or change the presets here on this panel. Settings, this will be all. So the colors, the specific colors, the font, so you can have just go for it and check. So for now, let's just do this header. So let's try to have displayed. So it will like that. So this will adjusted based on your preference or what you want. So it will have a preview there. Text, this text, example, holder, laptops. And this will be changed. So make sure to have it right well. In feature product. So you can just write it whatever you want. Okay. So the image banner is this. So you can upload image. For example, this. So upload image. Just click the upload image. For example, this one. Then failed. Why? Because I think, let's say this one. Okay. Then done. Then it will be prompted here. Then you can change the you can change this if ever you change your mind on second image. Just click there, etc, etc. So you are the one to play. It's very easy, guys. So okay, so image banner, section, footer. So this is it. So once you have adjusted everything, just click save to have it saved, because it is not to save just like Canva or any other rest. Then once you have set it all, make sure to just check this, because this will customize more your site and it will make your site more appealing. So and this is an advanced one, so you can learn this as soon as you go on. So in order to add your product, just click there, for example there. Okay. Product, so select your product, the one that we created earlier, laptop. So okay, so it will prompt in here, or then select, and then you can just edit this. Just double click, and once you double click, you cannot edit under exactly where your cursor is in. You can edit there, here in the left side. Using laptop, so you can change the format of this, save. So yes, it is as simple as that. By the way, if you think that this is like you want more, you can add section, sample, add section here, not in the footer, featured product, another product if you want, collection, etc, etc. So you can play on it, but that's the idea. So I think that's it. Before everything else, once you're done, once you have saved, you can click on exit. Then if you want to change your domain, because as you see, our domain name is not that good, so you can go to home and then name your store. I think name your store. Okay. You can just put everything there, and then add custom domain. So custom domain you can just add here, but you need to buy. So once you really want to career your e-store or e-commerce site, this will be the final step. You should buy domain so that it will not look so standard or generic. So okay, then you can just go on it, orders. Once you have the product, you can check your history there. So this is what we call there, what we tackled earlier. Identify gift card customers, your customer infos, like example, there are customer that your product, you can check the content if you write contents, analytics for the efforts of the product, the foot traffic, etc. The marketing if you want to boost or you to check other records, discounts if you set. So that's it. It's very self-explanatory, guys, but the most important is to set your site first. It's appearance, like customizing your store, adding your first product, and then customizing your settings. So that's all. So I hope you will create your own site very soon and it will be successful. Thank you.